drool there. Little schmutz. It's like panties.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Drop.
Look at his lips, the side of his lip. It's like breathing in and out, you see him?
Mm-hmm. There could be something wrong with him.
Why? He's always doing that.
He's never done
Yeah,
this.
he does that. He used to do that at the old house.
No.
Yeah. He did it last night, too.
Kitten. Buddy.
Should I pet him? There's some little something on his tongue.
Get a little something right there.
Ew.
It's gonna turn off. Turn it back on.